All right, YouTube. Sorry, I'm trying to get this perfectly for you. There you go. I'm trying to get it, guys. It will work. There you go. All right. I just got some at Burger King. They came out with new menu items for that How to Train Your Dragon movie that recently came out, and I got everything on the menu. They have a special Whopper, a special sort of like a Fury, like what is that? I think like a cheese fries thing. I'll show you, and a drink and a certain kind of sundae. Let's start with the sundae first. I think they call this, was it a Viking sundae? I'll put an article below, make sure I get all the correct names for all this. But here it is. Nothing too special. It looks like just a regular sundae, and it has some tasty bits put on top. Let's see. Ooh. It almost looks like pistachios and chocolate. Looks like to me. Here it is. But anyways, let's try this. Yes. There you go. No, those aren't pistachios. Those are, I mean, you taste the chocolate. It's like maybe like a toffee. I have to double check. And this is good. It's not really anything like special like anything I haven't really tried before. That's good. Here's the special drink. And of course, look, How to Train Your Dragon. Look, cool cup. Awesome. This is kind of like, I think it's like a strawberry lemonade. This was $2.99 by itself. It's good. It's sweet, but it's essentially just a strawberry lemonade. Now with the fries, because I got the meal. Whoops. You can either get these fries things in a 4-piece, an 8-piece, or a 12-piece. I got them in the 4-piece just in case I don't like them. It's supposed to be spicy. And these is basically like a, well, I'll show you. Yeah. And I was at the worst time. I forget what you call these, but basically cheese sticks. Yeah, after you chew it for a little bit, you do start tasting that spiciness. They're not dry. Sometimes I got something similar like this in the past, to be like really dry. No. Not bad. But here's the best thing. This is the Dragon Whopper. Essentially, it's basically just a normal Whopper with like, I think like a brownish bun. They think they put bacon on it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at those nice, tasty bits all over there. Tomato? You have a tomato. There's another one. Don't like tomatoes. Yeah, it looks like it has some nice tasty bacon. Yeah, you really look at that bun. It looks almost more redder inside. But always love a Whopper. I think it's probably the best fast food burger around. Yeah, see? Yes, some part of it's more redder on top, and the rest of it's like orange. It has those black seeds on it. All right, here it goes. Okay, let's try. Ooh, yeah. And like usual, every single Whopper I've ever had is fantastic. That flame broiled taste, amazing. The bacon really adds to it. And that smoky bacon adds a little bit more crispness to it. Yeah, this tastes like a fine hamburger that was cooked on a grill with fire and flames. It's just amazing. Whoppers are always great. The only thing I noticed though over the years, they have gotten a bit smaller than they used to be. They used to be bigger. I'm sorry for talking with my mouth full. But yeah, it's really good. In reality, though, that tastes a huge difference from a regular one. That bacon is what really adds to it. The bun, the colored bun, it mainly just tastes like a regular bun. It doesn't have any extra flavor to it. I think this is cool because this is, in effect, this is really multicolored. Part of it's orange and part of it's red. I see throughout. So this is different. They've had an orange bun Whopper before. They had black. They had green, red. Did they have purple? I'm not sure. I reviewed all of them. And they all have been fantastic. But yeah, this is really good. All right. Any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. And I think that's it. Yeah. I did the ice cream, the drink, the fries, and the Whopper. All right. Got a good one. You know what that means? Time to get on to the next one. All right. Peace. Yeah. All right. Let's get going.